Roland Mumford with Mumford.law. If you're driving down the road, you commit a minor traffic infraction, police are behind you, you're within a few hundred yards of your home, your driveway, you decide to pull into your driveway, police then come on scene. You enter your home. What are your rights at that point? I've been in this situation where I had a Tennessee state trooper pull me over right near my house, and I was kind of curious, could I pull into my driveway and enter my home, and then he could communicate with me on my property, or should I stop there on the side of the road? I stopped on the road, literally 100 yards from my driveway. And it brings up interesting constitutional questions about what are your rights and what are the police officer's legal duties to issue a citation if you're on your property and you enter your home. And that is something that I want to discuss with you today and show you a video here. Apparently a former police officer who was tased because he wouldn't step out of the home and walk to the police car to be issued the citation. Rather, the gentleman is standing at the door and says, hey, you can come and issue me the ticket right here at the door. It's not necessary for me to walk to the car. Now, what are your constitutional rights in this situation where, again, for a minor traffic violation, which is a non-criminal act, and you pull into your home because the traffic infraction was maybe right near your driveway, maybe you ran the stop sign down the street. Generally, the police cannot force you to come out of your home without a warrant unless there are exigent circumstances. And running a stop sign or speeding a little bit down that street or some other minor traffic infraction is a non-criminal act. And therefore, you entering your home, that is not an exigent circumstance. That is not hot pursuit, fleeing the police in most cases, unless your state has a specific statute prescribing that. Under the Fourth Amendment, your home is highly protected. Police cannot enter your home or compel you to exit without a warrant or probable cause, combined with exigent circumstances. Traffic infractions, again, are not exigent circumstances. As I said, a traffic ticket is a non-criminal matter, usually an infraction or a misdemeanor at most. Courts generally don't see this as justifying entry or forced compliance at your home. You don't have to talk through the officers through the door or open it. You can communicate through a door or not at all. If police say, come out so we can issue a citation, you can legally decline unless they have a valid legal reason. Are you required to walk to their car? No. If you voluntarily choose to go outside, you can stay on your porch or near your doorway. You're not obligated to walk to their cruiser unless you're being lawfully detained or arrested. It's not necessary for you to walk out into the yard from inside your home for them to write you a citation at their police car. They can issue you the citation there at the door, or they can mail it to you, or the court system can mail you the citation as well with a court date to appear. Now, there are some exceptions. If they witness a serious offense like a DUI just before you entered your home, they may be able to claim exigent circumstances. If you live in a state, again, with specific hot pursuit exceptions, they might be allowed to follow you inside in some narrow cases, but generally speaking, it's going to be a Fourth Amendment violation. I think this would apply whether you're inside the home, which is the most protected area under our Constitution, or if you are standing in the curtilage. Curtilage is, again, the area immediately outside your home, your front porch, the steps, and even areas of your driveway or maybe a patio or a sidewalk. In this circumstance, in this particular incident, you can see in this video what these officers do to tase the man and to unlawfully bring him out of the home. This former officer apparently knew who this person was. And what's interesting is that in the video, the officer says, let's get a warrant. So he clearly knew that he needed a warrant to get the gentleman out of the home. But if that warrant had been issued under these circumstances and truthfully attested to under oath, it should have been denied by the magistrate. The problem is we have very ignorant magistrates who sometimes are not even lawyers. They're just sitting in a police station or a sheriff's department reading a book and don't really know the law, and they're just rubber stamping warrant applications. Let's take a look at this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and we'll talk about it on the other side.
So I stopped him for speeding, 41 and a 25. He pulls in right here. He's originally parked here. I get out to get my ticket book out of the back of the patrol car because it's in my patrol bag in the trunk. And he pulls up here, gets out of the car. I tell him, you're not free to leave. You're detained at this time. He proceeds to ignore me and proceeds inside the house. Requests my supervisor, said that I'm not detained. You have no way to prove that I was speeding, and enters the house against my.
Is this his house?
Yes.
Okay. Secure it and go get a search warrant. I guess.
Okay.
It's an infraction, right? Some of the guys just an infraction on him. Yeah.
He said he would talk to you, but he's not going to talk to me.
What's his
I
name?
have his ID in the car.
It's who?
Elijah is his first name.
You want to talk to me?
Well, he said that he wanted my supervisor. I said my chief is on his way.
But there was no way
And he
to
said that.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
Yes, committed in your presence. What's his name again? Hey, is Elijah here?
Yes.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? I'm going to take him into custody.
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
He's wanting to cooperate, then
Elijah,
Hello.
I want to hear so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue the citation, so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to, so we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to courts,
Mm-hmm.
or I'll take you to jail right now for obstruct and delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then, come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't need to go out there for him to issue a citation, so there's no further
Yeah,
reason
you
for me
do.
to
You
be
need to
out
stand right next to your vehicle because he told you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue citation. So please go there, but wait by your vehicle
there. Mm-hmm.
so that way he can issue citation.
That makes no sense. I
Okay.
have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue citation. I'm going to place
so
you under
you're going
arrest.
to come on my property.
Or you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. He's trying to issue a citation.
There is
Okay,
no
if you
obstruction.
feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply. You can take it up with the courts. But I need you to go by your vehicle so he can give you the citation, and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding
Okay.
ticket.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's
So
a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would
Okay.
determine speed? What is your
okay,
guys'
that is something you're going to have to take up with the
determining
judge. You can
speed?
fight that part. with
Okay,
the court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out
Okay.
here. This is my home. You're
Okay.
going to sit here and try to do a speed
Okay.
trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Look,
right
come out
now.
here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private.
You're right now. You're about ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer
Okay.
and
Well-
call the city attorney, and then
Okay.
we will
Well, you
discuss.
come out here and
okay?
have your.
You have no right into my home.
Okay.
You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish this.
Call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out of
Yeah,
my door.
but you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor, stand right here so you can issue a citation.
The sheriff's department.
Sheriff's Department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call
So-
the attorney.
Okay. This is not necessary over a speeding ticket.
And
Okay?
yeah, I know, exactly. What are you saying that for?
So-
Of course, this is unnecessary.
Okay.
Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay. So come on out here so we can issue a
No, I will
citation.
not.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yes.
So you're going to come out here so he can issue the citation.
Not at this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses
Okay.
to do.
Well, you have a
guys.
county deputy here, so you have 2 options, like I said.
No, that one's very cricket.
Okay.
No.
Step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
this is not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not. Yep, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my house. Get the out.
Come into our house.
Open the door. You're
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm going to tase you. Open the door or you're going to get tased.
Open the door. You're gonna tased.
Open the door.
No, you cannot.
Open
take
the
my
door.
husband.
He's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You're-
Open the door or you're going to get tased.
This man,
I don't have their numbers.
Open the door now or you're going to get tased.
individual was placed under arrest. I am
Open the door
further
or you're going to get tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call?
No, you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help me push the door.
No.
Because he's under arrest.
For me.
Taser.
Stop resisting or get tased again. Stop resisting or you're going to get tased again.
I'm out of my.
Stop resisting or you're going to get tased again.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my
Let
God.
him get the cuffs on you. We'll get the
Scary.
Dispatch 1500 taser to
Paul, Pastor Paul.
Hello? This is not necessary. Daddy. This is not necessary.
This comes down on the way.
Yeah, set.
Okay, we're gonna roll you up, sit you on your.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
You got him?
Touch me. Get off of me. I will roll
So
over.
crooked. This is so crooked. He didn't in his own home.
He was placed under arrest.
He was not.
He did.
He was not.
That guy placed him under arrest.
Did you request EMS yet?
And our dog.
Dispatch Bill 1500 stage meds.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Stay seated. Stay seated.
I'm gonna stand up.
No, you listen to these.
You're not take this position. I have nothing to do. I am handcuffed. Okay.
I'm getting up. I'm getting up.
Them in your car, or is he? Okay, we got probes.
I'm not putting a minor this.
Some in yours right now.
Hold on. Hey, you still got that knife in your pocket?
Come on, leave that here.
Come over here.
So that video, that body cam video, came from This Is Butter. It's a YouTube channel. I'll post their link in the description. That's body camera video, which is public record and fair use. But I do appreciate what he does. Apparently, he collects body cam videos and posts them online. And I'm going to learn more about his channel. And so I'm glad, hopefully, that I can plug it here in this video. And this body cam video is being played on a number of other YouTube channels also. So let's talk about the issues again that we have in this video. The officer putting his foot in the door was a major violation under the Fourth Amendment. The officer calling him out of the home was an unlawful order, and I would argue is a violation also. Obstruction is overly charged and used as a threat for arrest very often by police. Officers are either ignorant of the obstruction statutes or intentionally misapply it to violate your rights through unlawful commands. The officer's statement that his calling an attorney is not necessary may not be a constitutional violation, but it is certainly, in my opinion, a policy violation at a minimum, and it is inappropriate and unethical. The foot in the doorway, blocking the door from being closed by the officer, is absolutely a Fourth Amendment violation. There were two cases that have cited this. One is 1996. It was Bonner versus Anderson, a Fourth Circuit case, basically saying that. And then there was United States versus Reeves, a 10th Circuit 2008 case. That involved a physical intrusion done without a warrant, no consent. And then there's an interesting discussion about, is that a seizure? And then is it constructive entry? We may do a video about what is deemed as a constructive entry. This officer clearly violated his rights by putting that foot in the door, preventing the gentleman from closing the door, and then obviously intruding into the home with the officers and then tasing him all over a traffic citation in front of a minor child, apparently, and in front of the wife. Now, the circumstances where the officer's actions might not violate your rights is if you gave consent to enter the home. There were exigent circumstances such as danger, hot pursuit, possible destruction of evidence. We don't have any of that here. It's just a man in his home. He arrived in the driveway. He walks in and he doesn't want to walk to the car to be issued a ticket. He's inside the home. There was no valid arrest warrant. This is clearly a violation of his rights and excessive force with the tasing and the seizure. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend.